how do you stay or get motivated to keep going and making more content, especially when people are mean to you on social media? I went through what I went through, and I actually did not make I didn't want to make content at all at the beginning because of that. Just, I think everybody goes through that, especially if you are kind of like on the introverted side and you're like, oh my God, what are people going to say? What are they going to think? I don't want to hear these, negative comments and things like that. So you lose your motivation because I think for a lot of us, we're trying to put out content to help. And then when you kind of come across this, then you're like, whoa, I'm just trying to be helpful. And so for me, I would say, how do you get motivated and stay motivated? I mean, you just have to kind of, get past it, push past it, ignore it, learn to laugh about it type of thing or whatever, and keep pushing forward.
Look at me, laugh about it, right? Laugh about it. I got this message. You want to try to zoom in?
This was very nice, this guy right here. And it says, sir, you need to lose some weight. All right.
He said, sir, you should reduce weight. And the guy has been following me for a while. All right. He might be watching this thing right here. And, all right. Thank you for your advice. I mean, I guess I'm 40 years old and COVID has not been helpful. I used to travel a lot and do a lot more activity. But, it is what it is. It's part of the world that you live in, and you got to be willing to go for that. I mean.
But would you laugh about that at the beginning? Would it bother you? Because I think that's another thing. Like, once you do it for a while, you're like, nothing really bothers you anymore, right?
I think it's complete BS. Anybody that tells you that it doesn't get to you somehow sometimes.
But still now, or more like at the beginning?
I don't know. Maybe I am going to lose some weight, and I'm going to thank this guy later for it, right?
That's true. Yeah, that's true.
So, but anyways, it's like
I'm not gonna say that
and
it
that one
never
is not
gets
bad.
to you. Like, I think it still gets to me when I hear some of these comments as well. But I think it gets you way less, right? Like you just learn to have thicker skin. I think
thicker skin is a key. That thing, because you got to be willing to go for that process. It's a part of it. You're doing this with a purpose. You are getting on content. Like if you look at my stuff, man. Yesterday, I just did a post yesterday. And because this is a post that I did, I got inspired last night, I think. Was it last night or 2 nights ago? And if you look at my Instagram, all right? So I got over 3,000 posts already on my Instagram profile, all right? 3,000 publications have been done on my Instagram profile. That's a lot. Guys, you getting haters yourself?
Yes, I definitely get some hating comments once in a while or skeptical comments and things like that, but
I think it's a good sign. They say it's a good sign.
They say,
you don't get any haters. You're not really helping anybody yet.
Yeah.
I might have just made up that line, but
it's inevitable, I think. So push past it.
If you're enjoying this content, please go ahead and subscribe. Help me comment below and let me know if you have any questions about marketing. And I'm on a mission to help as many of you as possible conquer the marketing world. So help me out. Subscribe, hit that button, hit that bell, get notified. We're going heavy with content in this 2021 year and beyond. Go ahead and subscribe right now.